Hello everyone, my name is Afeen Pathan. I have completed my BLS LLB and today I am going to teach you IELTS format. Even I have appeared for IELTS examination last year. The full form of IELTS is International English Language Testing System. This evaluates your English on the basis of receptive skills, productive skills. Receptive skills being listening, reading. Productive skills being writing and speaking. There are two categories of IELTS exam. Journal test, academic test. The journal test need to be taken by people who are moving to English speaking country for the purpose of PR or jobs. Whereas the academic test needs to be taken by students who are looking for their forward study in English speaking country or any other courses. But please check which exam you are going to write before you register yourself. Listening, reading and writing are going to held on the same day at a stretch, whereas speaking is going to take place on the same day or in a span of 7 days before or after your listening, reading and writing test. This depends upon the schedule you get from the IDP or IELTS, depend on whom you are registering with. So let's start with listening. As I told you, listening is divided into 4 parts. So let's start with it. It will be in order from easiest to difficult. The first session in listening is going to be easiest, while the last session is going to be most difficult. Please note that you write the answer in the question booklet. It is a simultaneous process of listening and writing. You need to answer these 40 questions while you listen the audio. And at the end of the test, you will get 10 minutes to transfer your answers from questions booklet to the answer sheet. Let's move on reading. Reading is different from journal and academic test. Unlike writing and speaking are same for journal and academic test. So, reading has 3 sections for both journal and academic. Journal test will have 1 or 2 texts based upon which you have to answer your 40 questions. This means the first section is going to be the easiest, while the last section will be going to be the hardest. This is to say that the passage could be a little lengthier or the language could be a little difficult. On the other hand, academic, you have 1 long passage. Each session based, you have to answer 40 questions. Write the answer straight into answer sheet because you won't get here any extra time to transfer your answer from question booklet to answer sheet. Now let's look at writing. Even this section is a little different from journal and academic. In journal, you will have a letter in task 1 and an essay in task 2. In academic, you will have a summarized passage in task 1. And in task 2, you will have an essay. Letter could be formal, informal or semi-formal. The summary here in academic will be in the form of charts, pie diagrams and bar graph. In both tests, you will have 20 minutes for task 1 and 40 minutes for task 2. For task 1, let it be journal or academic, you have to write 150 words. And for task 2, you have to write 250 words. This is to say that there is a minimum threshold of limit. If you write below, you will get a penalty. There will be no upper limit. Now, let's move to speaking. Speaking is like an interaction between 1 to 1 person. That is, the speaking test will be held between you and examiner. And note that this speaking section is going to get recorded. Speaking has 3 sections. Section 1 has the interaction with the examiner. The examiner is going to ask you certain questions, followed by question and answer section conversation. Part 2, an individual speaking. In this section, there is a cue card round. You would be given a card and you have to speak on that certain topic for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Examiner won't interrupt you while you speak on this topic. Very last part in this speaking, part 3, it is discussion. and this discussion will be based on your part 2. The examiner is going to ask you certain questions regarding what you told in your part 2, what you spoke in your part 2. So this listening is for 40 minutes, this reading is for 60 minutes, this writing is for 60 minutes, and again this speaking section is for 14 to 15 minutes. Please make sure you are very calm, very relaxed and very chilled. Give your best. All the best.